Which way do you want to go? The rolling bridge is just there. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! We all love your train set. Choose a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Lights out. Lights on. All my friends want to help too, so make sure you change engines off. Lights out. Super awesome! That's perfect! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the tunnel is nearby. Left leads to forward leads to lights on. Forward leads to the pig farm. We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Where to now? We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? That's the way! That was off the rails! Which toy will you choose now?